Infinitives act as objects in sentences. This means certain verbs need an infinitive after them to complete the meaning. Like I want to learn, she hopes to go. The infinitive answers what the subject wants or hopes to do. This pattern appears often in everyday English. The infinitive functions as the object of the main verb. I want to learn. Here want is the main verb and to learn is its object. She hopes to go. Hopes is the main verb and to go is its object. We asked him to help. They encouraged me to explore. The infinitive always completes what the main verb wants or needs. Many verbs follow the pattern verb plus object plus infinitive. I asked him to help. Asked is the verb, him is the object, to help is the infinitive. They expected us to arrive early. Expected is the verb, us is the object, to arrive early is the infinitive. She promised me to call later. We advised them to stay home. Notice the consistent pattern. These verbs always take object plus infinitive. Ask someone to do something, tell someone to do something, want someone to do something, expect someone to do something, help someone to do something, encourage someone to do something. The pattern never changes. Verb plus object plus to plus verb. Most verbs take infinitive with to. I want to learn English. We helped him to clean the room. But 3 special verbs take infinitive without to. She made me go home. They let us stay late. Help can go either way. Help someone to do something or help someone do something. Every infinitive object sentence follows this exact pattern. Subject plus verb plus object plus to plus verb. The subject does the action. The verb shows desire or command. The object receives the instruction. The infinitive shows what action to take. This structure builds every example. Real conversations use this pattern constantly. Teacher asks students to study harder. The teacher wants students to work more. Mom wants me to clean my room. Every parent says this. Boss expects team to finish early. Every workplace uses this structure. Recognize it everywhere. Practice recognizing the pattern. Teacher told students to listen. Told is the verb, students is the object, to listen is the infinitive. I asked my friend to help. Parents want children to study. Boss expects team to work. Fill the gap with to plus verb. The pattern stays the same. Remember these 4 rules. Verb plus object plus to plus verb. Make let and help often skip the to. Want ask expect and tell always take the infinitive. The infinitive acts as the object completing the verb's meaning. Practice, I want you to learn. Master this pattern for natural English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.